I'm going to show you a hack where you can get free gifts on Temu. Now, all you have to do is that you have to click on the link on the description or on the pinned comment down below. When you click on that, you'll get into a website that looks like this. Now, the gift you might get, it might be different from what I'm getting. For example, right now, I'm getting a 12-piece non-stick felt pan protectors that's scratch resistant, cookware separator, and it's reusable rear, right? So you can see I get this all free. It used to be $16, but now it's $0. Now, before you actually get on with this, make sure to read the fine print here. So terms and conditions, read this. And also remember that it's for new app users only, and it's also with qualifying orders. So you might need to buy something first, and you need to be a new app user as well, so you can claim this free gift. Again, your gift might not be the same as mine. You could get something else. You could get a charger. You can get electronics. You can get new equipment, things like that. But of course, it'll always be free. And all you have to do is to just click the link on the description down below or on the pinned comment down below. Enjoy your free gift.